Hey guys, Jackson here with Dr. Boom Fireworks. Today we're checking out the Kasbah by Magnus Fireworks. It is a 200-gram cake that has 16 shots in it. It is 38 seconds long and has all your performance on the side. It is an angled cake, so it does shoot at an angle. It does tell you which way to face it towards the audience for better viewing. Let's go ahead and cut the top off and show you the inside. Now that the top's off, you can see angled tubes for multi-directional shots. Let's go ahead outside and see what she looks like.